Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting technical indicator called psychological line. It is used very rarely, but we use it properly, it can increase your trading accuracy. So what is the concept of a psychological line? So it is based on the presumption that people will resist paying more for a share than others, unless of course the share continues to move up. So all of us don't want to pay more than others for buying a share. But if the price of the share is increasing continuously, then we may go for buying. Similarly, we don't want to sell any share less than the price others are offering. Unless until the price is declining so fast, we will sell it and exit. So what is the psychological line indicator means? It is the ratio of number of rising periods over the number of total periods. So if whatever be the period you are considering, out of that, the number of rising period is calculated in percentage. So that is the way psychological line is plotted. It reflects the buying power in relation to the selling power. And the range is always fluctuates between a value of 0 to 100. The psychological line is above 50, then indicates that buyers are in control. Likewise, if it is below 50, it indicates sellers are in control. If it moves around 50% area, it indicates a equilibrium between buyers and sellers, and therefore there is no direction of movement in the market. How to calculate the psychological line? The calculation of psychological line indicator is the percentage of bars that close above previous candle close within the calculation period. This is then plotted as an oscillator in the indicator plane. So the formula is up movement in the last periods divided by the number of periods into hundreds. Uh, the default period is 20 in the chart, but you can customize it. So assume we are keeping the default value. The If the number of bars closed above the previous bar is say 10, that means the line value will be 50. So we'll just see in the chart how it looks like. So this is a chart of Bharat Electronics in a Zerodha platform. So you can go to the studies and indicate psychology. It is known as PSY, but you can search with the psychological line, it will come. So I have already added the line. So it will be coming like this. The indicator when you add, it will come like this. Somewhat looks similar to the RSI indicator. Okay, so how we can trade with the psychological line? The rising indicator line indicates uptrend and falling indicator line implies downtrend. As usual, if the psychological line is trending upwards, then you can say it is positive. Similarly, if it is falling, then it is a downtrend. The higher the indicator, the stronger the positive trend. Conversely, the lower the indicator, the stronger the negative trend. So, one of the method used to is to generate the counter trend signals. What is that? When an indicator reaches upper extreme levels, the sell position can be opened and vice versa. How it is possible? Because a strong uptrend of this indicator usually leads to overbought market condition and consolidation or trend reversal is imminent. It is similar to RSI. When there is a strong uptrend, continuously uptrend, then it will reach to a state of overbought. Similarly, the opposite situation, when there is a strong negative trend and then it will reach to a condition of oversold. So we can consider if it is the value of psychological line above 70, we can consider it as an overbought. And similarly, if the value goes below 30, you can consider it as an oversold. So let us see whether it is we can get any signals on the chart. So probably we need to draw a line for marking the overbought and oversold condition. So I will try to uh, mark a line with 70 as well as around 30. So now I have marked a line of 70 and 30. Now we can see some condition. Okay, so let us see here. This portion, it went below 30, and at this point it started crossing the 30 mark line. So if you see that corresponding point, the price started to move upwards. It's a good movement. We look for another signal. See here also again it went below 30 and it started crossing 30. You can see this portion. At this portion it started cruising, and you can see there was a good movement. Okay, we will see some sell signals when it grows above 70 and the reversing. Let us see whether we are getting any such signals. I think there were no such signals. Okay, I think number of signals are less, but the same way we can use it for overbought condition also. Now we will see in 1 day period. If you see 1 day period, this is the portion where it gone below 30 and started coming back. See, you can see a nice up movement. Similarly here also it went below 30 and started coming back above 30. You can see a continuous good up movement. Yeah, at least in day chart we will try to get a sell signal. Okay, so here you can see it started above 70 and started to fall back. You can see that corresponding area, it has given a considerable good downward trend. So this is the way you can use the psychological line for trading, but don't use it as a lone technical indicator. You mix it with the preferred technical indicator and add psychological line also. This will drastically improve the accuracy. The other strategy is to involve a moving average. So consider plotting a 50 simple day moving average. So with this, I will try to plot a moving average of simple moving average. I'll just change the color to 50-day simple moving average. Now what we can do, we will look for crossing. At the same time, the psychological line also should be moving downwards if it is crossing from top. So we can see at this point the price crossed 50-day simple moving average. At the same time, the PSI line was trending downwards. So it has given a good downward movement. Now see at this point, the price is crossing above 50-day simple day moving average. At the same time, the PSI line was trending upwards, so it has given a somewhat good uptrend. The price is currently trading at this value. So I hope this will help you. And what is the conclusion? So psychological line indicator is straightforward, very easy to understand, straightforward application, and it is not commonly used by other traders. So very few people will be looking at this chart. This can be advantageous, and try with other indicators so that we can filter out some of the false signals and we can improve the trading accuracy. So that's all, guys. So I hope it it was useful for some of you. Thank you. We will see you with some other video later time. Thank you.